Welcome to Bria's Garden Tech. If you're as fascinated by the journey of farm to table as we are, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of grape cultivation, harvesting, and processing in the United States. Picture this: rolling hills covered with endless rows of grapevines, kissed by the morning sun. Welcome to the heart of the U.S. grape industry. Did you know that the United States produces over 7 million tons of grapes annually? That's enough grapes to fill over 1,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of how these tiny fruits transform into raisins, wine, and more. The U.S. is home to some of the most famous grape-growing regions in the world. From the sun-soaked valleys of California to the cooler climates of Washington and New York, each region has its specialty. California alone accounts for 90% of the nation's grape production. That's not just a statistic, it's a testament to the Golden State's grape-growing prowess. Here, we grow 3 main types of grapes: table grapes, wine grapes, and raisin grapes. Whether it's the sweet Thompson seedless or the bold Cabernet Sauvignon, every variety has its moment to shine. Think of grapes like your wardrobe. Table grapes are your everyday sneakers, reliable and versatile. Wine grapes? They're your designer shoes, perfect for special occasions. And raisins? Let's call them your cozy slippers, always there for you when you need a snack. Grape cultivation begins with careful soil preparation. The soil is tested for nutrients, pH levels are adjusted, and compost or organic fertilizers are added to enrich the land. Grapevines thrive in well-drained, slightly acidic soil, and the preparation ensures the roots can access water and nutrients efficiently. Next comes planting. Young grapevines, either grown from seeds or cuttings, are planted in neat rows with ample spacing to allow sunlight and airflow. Trellises are installed early to support the vines as they grow, guiding their vertical climb. Pruning is a crucial step in grapevine care. It may seem counterintuitive, but cutting back the vines ensures better fruit quality by concentrating the plant's energy on fewer grape clusters. Regular pest management and irrigation complete the care regimen, keeping the vines healthy and productive. As the vines mature, grape clusters begin to form. During this period, farmers monitor for pests, diseases, and changing weather conditions, ensuring the grapes ripen perfectly. In regions like California, the long sunny days and cool nights provide the ideal conditions for sugar accumulation and flavor development. Harvesting grapes is both an art and a science. Timing is everything. Table grapes are picked at peak sweetness, while wine grapes are harvested based on their sugar levels, or bricks as the pros call it. Raisin grapes, on the other hand, wait until they're fully ripe for optimal drying. In the US, we use both manual and mechanical methods. Manual harvesting is like crafting a handmade suit. It takes time but ensures quality. Mechanical harvesting, however, is the superhero for large-scale vineyards, capable of harvesting acres in a single day. Fun fact: a single mechanical harvester can pick up to 150 tons of grapes per day. That's like plucking the entire contents of a grocery store's produce section in one go. Now, let's talk raisins. Those sweet little bites of joy. Most raisins are sun-dried, a process as natural as it gets. Grapes are spread on trays under the warm Californian sun, turning into raisins in just 2 to 3 weeks. Mechanical drying is also an option for quicker results, especially for large-scale production. Once dried, raisins are cleaned, sorted, and packed, ready to sweeten your oatmeal or trail mix. And now, the showstopper, wine. The journey begins with crushing and pressing the grapes. For white wine, the juice is separated immediately, while red wine ferments with the skins for that rich color and flavor. Fermentation is where the magic happens. Yeast converts sugar into alcohol, creating wines that range from light and fruity to bold and complex. After aging, sometimes in oak barrels, the wine is bottled and ready to toast life's special moments. Think of wine like music. A white wine is a crisp pop song, easy to enjoy. A red wine? That's your soulful jazz track, layered and full of character. The grape industry isn't just about delicious products. It's a significant economic driver. It creates thousands of jobs and generates billions in revenue. California's wine industry alone contributes over $70 billion to the U.S. economy each year. Sustainability is also key. Many vineyards are embracing organic farming, water-efficient irrigation, and recycling byproducts like grape skins for compost or animal feed. It's all about giving back to the land that gives so much to us. From vine to wine, and from grapes to raisins, the journey of these tiny fruits is nothing short of extraordinary. So the next time you sip a glass of wine or snack on raisins, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and care that goes into every bite and sip. Cheers to grapes, America's little powerhouse fruit. Liked this journey through the world of grapes? Don't forget to subscribe to Bria's Garden Tech for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods and beverages.